Welcome to GCRD Technologies. SQL interview questions for beginners or fresher. See, SQL, Structured Query Language, a standard database language for database developers, database testers, and database administrators. Next, what are the important SQL language elements? Identifiers, names of database objects such as tables, views, columns, and databases, etc. Next, data types. Define the type of data that is contained by a column. Next, constants, symbols that are represent specific data types. Operators perform arithmetic, comparison, and logical operations. Functions, built-in functions to perform specific operations. Clauses constitute components of statements and queries. Expressions produce either scalar values or table consisting of columns and rows of data. Next important one, queries, retrieving the data based on the specific criteria. This is an important element of SQL statements. Next, does SQL support programming? SQL is a language, but it does not support programming. It is a command-based language. We do not have control flow statements like conditional or decision-making statements, loop statements, branching statements, etc. in SQL. For applying programming logic, we may use clauses in SQL. For applying more programming logic, nowadays database management systems like Oracle developed extension of SQL is PLSQL, procedure language and structured query language. MS SQL Server developed Transact SQL, but SQL is not a pure programming language. Next, what is data manipulation language? DML, data manipulation language, is a subset of SQL that enables users to access and manipulate the data. Data manipulation language is used to perform below operations. One is insertion of data into the database, retrieval of data from the database, updating data in the database, deletion of data in the database. Next, what is data relationship and how many types are they? Data relationship is the connection between the tables in a database. There are 4 types of relationships, and they are one-to-one relationship, one-to-many relationship, many-to-one relationship, and many-to-many relationship. Next, what are the various uses of database triggers? Database triggers can be used to enforce business rules, to maintain derived values and perform value-based auditing. Next, how is the SUBSTR, substr, keyword used in SQL? SUBSTR is used for string manipulation with the column name, first position and string length used as arguments. Example, SUBSTR of means open bracket, name comma 1 3 refers to the first 3 characters in the column name. Next, what is the difference between group by and order by? Group by controls the presentation of rows Order by controls the presentation of the columns for the results of the select statement. Next, what is a subselect? Is it different from a nested select? A subselect is a select that works in conjunction with another select. A nested select is a kind of subselect where the inner select passes to the where criteria for the outer select. Next, can primary key is a foreign key on the same table? Yes, primary key is a foreign key on the same table. Next, what are the advantages of procedures? Advantages of procedures are loaded once and used many times. Next, performance better because all SQL statements are sent in one go from the application to the database. Next, security. No object privileges are given directly. Next, invokers rights are possible. Next, important one, data integrity and data productivity. Next, last one, what is parsing? Parsing, syntax analysis, is the process of analyzing a string of symbols either in natural language or computer language or data structures conforming to the rules of a formal grammar. Thank you.